Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Cancer for November 2021. So watch this video if you're a Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit and check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing information about manifestation courses that I take, 800 plus students have taken it so far. I also sell healing crystals like these. So for all that information, head to my my Instagram page, and the link is in the description. All right. So yeah, now let's just get started with your reading. First, let's take a general message for you, Cancer, for November 2021, and then we'll see a love message. One more shuffle. All right, give me message for Cancer. So we have loneliness. Ooh, Cancer, what happened? Babies. And then we have abundance. So yeah, like, don't worry if you're feeling lonely. Some of you might be feeling lonely, and that could be because maybe somebody left you, somebody did something nasty. I don't know, like a situation is making you feel very, very lonely, and you feel that there is nobody there for you, and you know, why does this happen to me and all of that. But you just know that you are never alone. All right, so if you are having loneliness within your family, then maybe try to connect with friends. If it's with friends, then maybe try to seek help from family. If you don't have friends or family, then just talk to strangers. Maybe just become a part of an NGO, or maybe just visit those shelter homes or whatever. Like, you are never alone until you decide that you want to be alone, right? You're never alone. So just keep that in mind. And you being a Cancerian, I can understand. Cancerians are very emotional people, and they take everything to the heart. So you might be feeling very lonely these days, but just see this message. I know that I am never alone. So just remind yourself, just maybe say this affirmation quite a times, that you are never alone. All right, and then we have right next to it, there's abundance card, which is I am a limitless being and I can manifest whatever I desire in physical reality. So some sort of breakthrough is going to happen in your finances. Some sort of wish fulfillment is coming in for you, is what I see. So yeah, November looks like a good month. It's just that you need to take care of your mental health. All right, so on the professional front, it looks really good. On the personal front, things could be a little lonely or gloomy. So you just need to remind yourself that you're never lonely, right? So that's the only thing. Now let's see your spread for November. So give me the present energy for Cancer for November. Nine of Swords. This is see, that's the beauty of tarot. I absolutely love tarot. People say tarot is all mumbo jumbo. I mean, there's a fucking lonely card here, and then we have nine of Swords here again. Like two different decks, and how does that happen? it's fucking real, right? Okay, so with the Nine of Swords again, this is a feeling of being lonely. This is like some of you, I see very suddenly you've got to know something about a situation which you never really expected, or some of you might have expected and things have happened. It might have been revealed to you in a very shocking way, and some of you are having sleepless nights because of the very situation. So it's like something has come like a shocker. Yeah, Two of Swords. Some of you, I feel that you kind of already knew that this is gonna happen, but then you closed your eyes to the situation and you were like, oh, this is not gonna happen, I'm just overthinking or whatever, and then that happened. So the red flag that you were ignoring is now the reason for why things are happening in your life the way they are happening. All right, for some of you, I also feel that maybe there was a pregnancy loss, so maybe a miscarriage. If it's not that, then I just see that something about your love situation was revealed to you in the most shocking way, and it was something that you basically closed your eyes from. So whatever you were trying to ignore because you wanted to save something, maybe you wanted to save the relationship, the family, or whatever, so that's why you just chose to ignore the reality, and that reality has basically now struck you right in your face, and now you're having sleepless nights and panic attacks over a situation. Something is making you feel very panicky, and you really need to take care of your mental health these days. So let's see what's going to happen next. What's the incoming influence in the situation of Cancerians in their love life? Judgment. Ooh, some of you, are you deciding to take a divorce? Or maybe you're just trying to do something legal about a situation? I don't know. Or some of you, you're just trying to try for a reconciliation, because Judgment is a reconciliation card. So I see that Either, again, still you're trying to save the connection, or maybe somebody wants to save the connection with you, though things have fallen apart, but here somebody is still trying to make things happen with you. Again, like they just want to take the connection back to what it was previously with you. And I see that some of you might be seeing forward to have a divorce. So maybe you are wanting a divorce and the other person does not, or maybe you are wanting a separation and the other person do not. One of you is wanting separation and the other person is still trying to see if this can work. All right. What's the unconscious influence here? What do my Cancerians do not know about the situation yet? Seven of Swords. You don't know that your person is still a jerk, still not telling you the truth, still hiding things from you. So somebody is not showing their true colors to you, and somebody is just trying to conceal the facts. I also feel that something is going to get, again, something is going to come. So it's like whatever you know, you think that what worse can happen, but I see something is still yet to be revealed to you, and that's going to get revealed. All right. So I see somebody's sneaky behavior is going to come forward. Though this person might be trying to tell you things like, no, I just want to have a reconciliation with you. No, they still haven't changed. And they are still very sneaky. So they might be telling you things, but they are still concealing a lot. So be very careful before trusting anybody, Cancer. And maybe that is why you feel so lonely, right? Of course, because somebody is just not revealing their truth. All right. Let's see what is Cancerian trying to achieve in this situation with this person. Three of Pentacles, Cancer. You want this situation to work, honey? Don't try to tell me otherwise in the comments. Because I already said if this reading is not resonating, it's not for you. All right, don't try to fit in. Let the message get delivered to whoever this is meant for. Your goal in the situation is to make this happen. Some of you still looking forward to save the connection. Maybe because it's a marriage, maybe there's a child involved, I don't know what. Or it's just like you have deep emotions and you just can't walk away. That's why you're feeling very lonely. You're like, I just want to save the connection. I still want to try to work. But the thing is, you don't want to do everything by yourself. You want this person to cooperate, or maybe to do everything. Some of you want this person to prove to you that they are worth giving a second chance to. So maybe that could be the thing. But yeah, your goal in the situation is to not break it. All right. You are, however, seeing if this can be saved or not. So yeah, you are interested. You are also equally interested to work on this connection with this person. Now let's see. What is your inner strength in the situation? What is Cancerian's inner strength in the situation, please? Eight of Swords. What is happening here? Some of you might be dealing with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius very strongly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 air sign cards here. All right. So what I see is that some of you, let me be very honest, it's going to pain some of you, it's going to pinch some of you, but I need to say the truth. Some of you, you know, the problem is that you feel like a victim. So it's like how sometimes when we are going through pain and then we start enjoying the pain, your inner strength is that you enjoy the pain. You've started enjoying the pain. And that's the exact reason why things did not work, because earlier also, you were seeing things that things are getting toxic, but you still did not act until the situation blew up and you're doing that same thing again. Cancer, start acknowledging things for what they are, all right? If something feels like a red flag, acknowledge it. Don't try to, don't try to sprinkle glitter on the shit. It's still going to be shit. It's going to be sparkly shit, but still shit, right? So yeah, you really need to open your eyes. See, here also you are blindfolded. Here also you are blindfolded. Just take your fucking blindfold off and acknowledge the situation for what it is. If it's toxic, say it's toxic. All right? If something feels toxic, start saying that it is toxic. Let's see, how is your person viewing you? How is Cancerian's person viewing you? This is an intense reading. Also, let me know if you like this format of reading. This is a new format that I'm doing. How is Cancerian's person viewing Cancerian? Two of Cups. Oh my God. I'm just wasting my time on this reading. Both of these people want each other. Your person thinks you're a soulmate. or they just have emotions for you, then why the fuck are they behaving like they're 7 of Swords? This person is sneaky as fuck, but what they feel about you, what they think about you is 2 of Cups. This person is looking for a reconciliation with you, point blank period. They want to have a reconciliation with you. They think you are their soulmate. Then how do people cheat their soulmates? This is out of my scope. Who the hell are you dealing with? This is an idiot for sure. Like, this person thinks you're their soulmate and they know that they have feelings for you, but then how did they react? They cheated you. And they were just acting very sneaky. How do soulmates work like that? Anyway, this person has feelings for you. They would like to have a reconciliation. So this is the exact message getting repeated here. This person wants to work this out with you. You might not think that they want to. That's why you're having panic attacks and loneliness and sleepless nights. Just, you know, sip some wine and take a chill pill, watch TV, because this person is not going anywhere. You think this person is out of your life? No, they are not. Let's see, what does the fear of Cancerian here in the situation? What is Cancer fearing right now in this connection? Empress. Some of you are fearing that you are pregnant, or you will get pregnant. You will get pregnant. No. Some of you are like, maybe you are fearing that you're pregnant. So it's like you have, and this is a very specific message, by the way. So some of you, maybe you are anticipating that you're pregnant. For others of you, you're fearing your security. You're like, what will I do without this person? Or you're just fearing that, some of you, you're married to this person, so that's why it's very difficult for you. You have a child involved, so that's why you're fearing that what will happen to that child and that future of the child. For others of you, I just feel that you are fearing to be left alone. You are fearing to not have security. You're fearing that what will happen to you. Like, what's gonna happen to me if I leave this person? You know, you're just thinking that your security and stability is somehow attached to this person. And what is Cancer hoping here with this person? 4 of Cups. You're hoping this person should not ignore this connection. You're just hoping that this person do not let this go. You're just hoping that this person fights back for this connection. What is happening? But I see that when this person comes back to you, you are not going to accept them in the very first chance. Some of you are going to ignore their message. Or you might have already. You might have deleted or blocked this person as well. What's going to be the outcome between Cancer and this person in November? What's going to be the outcome? Queen of Pentacles and 5 of Cups. Some of you are going to drop this person down and focus on your stability. In the month of November, you might just not take them back. You want this person to repent on what they did to you. So yeah, I see this stiff continuing between you and this person. And see, the abundance card here is the Queen of Pentacles. Some of you, you're going to drop this person and focus on your money and abundance. You're like, fuck this person. I'm going to focus on my money. I'm going to focus on my abundance. Some of you are really popping. You're going to do really well money-wise. Something is very prominent here when it comes to money and career. And with love, you're going to let this go for some time. So maybe in November, you will not be as interested to participate. And as I said, you might just ignore their message. So yeah, I see this person is going to reach out to you, but you might just block them. Or you have already blocked them and you're going to take some time before reaching out. However, this person is trying to see how they can reach out to you. This person is having feelings. And they are just trying to find ways how can they communicate with you. So this was for people who are dealing with somebody. Now let's see for singles. What is coming towards my singles in love in November, please? Knight of Pentacles. There is somebody who's coming towards you who's very stable. They have their shit together. They have their money. This person might be living at a distance. So you might just connect when you go traveling or they come travel towards you. Or maybe you will meet them at your workplace. So it could be a workplace romance. Some of you, this person could be your boss. Yeah, someone coming towards you is very stable. But for that, you need to let go of your past. Some of you are still holding on to your past very tightly and you're not letting this new beginning happen to you. Singles, stop doing that. Hierophant. Some of you, I also see that there is a connection coming towards you which has a potential to get converted into something long-term, which could be marriage as well. So if you're open to get married and if you're looking forward to marriage, somebody is coming in who might be a little conventional. Like, this person is very traditional, all right? So it's going to be a very traditional affair. they're not going to take you to the bar or something. They're going to take you to their family to meet them and all of that. So that kind of person coming in. The only negative card here is the Ten of Swords, which is asking you to let go of your past. If something from your past is bothering you, still let it go. All right, give me a message for Cancer for November. Chemistry. There's like an intense chemistry between you and this person for both, you know, Cancer. There's like a strong magnetic attraction both for people who are dealing with someone and who are not. Like this person has like chemistry with you. That's why they can't let go of the biology that they have with you. Anything else? Like you think somebody's over you? You must be joking. Separation. You guys are in separation, but then again, as I said, there's like a very strong magnetic attraction which is not letting you both walk away from each other. So you guys just wasting each other's time. Ultimately, you guys are going to get back together is what I feel. But maybe not in the month of November. You might just take some more time. You'll be like, let me focus on my coins in November or something like that. Now let's see what your person wants to say to you in November, Cancer. What does Cancer's person want to say to Cancer? Can you be patient? Didn't I tell you that? This person is looking forward to come towards you, but you are going to test their patience. And they also want you to be more patient to them. Okay, that's cool. I am falling for you every single day, even more than before. So somebody is falling for you. I was blind to notice your efforts and feelings. See, this person is now repenting what they did to you, and they regret. And they want to come forward. This person is not going anywhere. Just sip your wine, have fun, enjoy Halloween, enjoy Christmas. That's coming in the month of December, of course. And Diwali and all of that. This person is not going anywhere, all right? So yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the month of November itself with your weekly readings if I make them. And yeah, for now, it's a bye. Take care. God bless.